I love teaching because it's something I've always wanted to do. Ever since I was in secondary school, I decided that I wanted to be an art teacher. And I went to Glasgow School of Art and started teaching in the West Coast, moved abroad to the Middle East, and then came back to Scotland for the millennium. I've been teaching adults and children because I really feel that I've got a message to put across, and I want to enthuse them to get on with something that they will enjoy. Not just now, but maybe later on for their retirement. My teaching style is loose, fun, not too involved in detail, minutiae. I like people to experience painting as something that's enjoyable and rewarding. The benefits of this course, as far as I'm concerned, is to show you that you don't have to worry about drawing. The whole idea of this course is to make sure that you can have fun, experience materials that you may not have worked with at all, and find that it gives you satisfaction at the end of it, that it's not necessary to really worry about detail, perspective or anything like that, but just get a nice feel and express yourself in painting. The course is broken into 4 parts. One is dealing with the materials, second one is talking about painting sky, the third one will then be dealing with the foreground, and the fourth one I broke away from the sea and sky into the woodland. And the whole idea behind it is to show you how with very little drawing you can actually achieve a really worthwhile painting.